Let's start from introduction. I work as a BIM manager for MEP design consultant company which is based in central London. I've got 3 years of experience. I'm planning to record a 10 to 15 hours Revit MEP course purely based on my experience. But before doing that, I would need to know if people actually want it. In a minute, I'm gonna explain what the course is gonna consist of. So please listen carefully, and if you think it would be useful for you, then please hit the like button so I could see how many people actually want it. If the number of likes is not less than 500, then I will record the course. In this course, I will show how to set up a central model from scratch, how to link architectural model, how to copy, monitor grids and levels, how to organize project and sheet browsers, how to create and use worksets, how to create sheet views and sheets. Then I will explain what is a virtual warehouse and why some BIM managers, including myself, use it. Not many people know about it. As well as that, I will explain how to create basic families from scratch, such as title block with shared parameters, FCUs, socket outlets, pipe and duct tags, and so on. Next, I will show how I model MEP services, which will include tips and tricks. Finally, I will export a Revit model and perform a clash detection test in a Navisworks. Again, if you think you need something like that, don't be greedy and hit the like button.